What is Google Play Games for PC? Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open any browser and type Google Play on PC, and then come to the official website here. So click on that. So Google Play Games is a PC application that lets you browse, download, and play select mobile games on a Windows desktop or laptop. It lets you experience bigger, bolder versions of select mobile games on Google Play Games on PC. It allows you to distribute your games easily across mobile, tablets, Chromebooks, and Windows PC. And it is available in more than 120 countries and is expanding to more regions. So currently there is over 100 games that is available across the beta region, and games are being added on a regular basis. To learn about the minimum requirements to install Google Play Games on your PC, go ahead and click on Minimum Requirements. So you need at least a Windows 10, and you need a solid-state drive with 10 GB of available storage space. You need Intel USD graphics 630 GPU or comparable. You need 4 GPU physical cores, and some games require an Intel CPU. So you should have 8 GB of RAM, Windows admin account, and hardware virtualization must be turned on. So to learn more about these requirements, you can click on Help Center here. So these are the minimum requirements, and this is the one that is recommended for better gameplay performance. So the only one that is different is this graphics and this processor. So the recommended graphics is gaming class GPU like NVIDIA GeForce MX 450, and the recommended processor is 8 logical cores, and some games require an Intel CPU. So if you want to make sure that it is available in your region, you can click on the supported country or region and go through the list here and check if it is available in your region. So to download and install it, go back and then click on Download Beta. So this file will be downloaded here, and click on it. So go ahead and click on Run and then click Yes, you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. So it's going to take a few moments. So once it's downloaded on your PC, go ahead and click on Sign In and sign in with your Google account. Follow the prompt and then click on Finish. So you can go to your Home tab or search the games that you want to install, and just click on the game, and then you'll see the install button and you'll be able to install it. So this is what Google Play Games for PC is. If you want to learn more, you can come to this site and look at the frequently asked questions and go through these questions. Or you can go to Help Center and then describe your issue here. To submit any feedback, you can click on these 3 bars and then click on Submit Feedback. So this is what Google Play Games for PC is. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.